Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So the topic today which we will discuss is solving equations involving fractions, and we will solve this by elimination method. Now students, you already know what are fractions. Fractions are the numbers which are always in the form of division or quotient. For example, here a by b and 2 by 3 are the fraction numbers. In fraction numbers, always division will be involved, and the part which lies under the division is called denominator, and the part which lies on the division is called numerator. Now we will solve the equations involving fractions by elimination method. So student, always remember, whenever we have to eliminate the fraction, we will always take the help of multiplication. So this point will be very useful in the example. So I will go further for the example. So open your book and open page number 70. So I will start with example number 1. In example number 1, given is 5 by x equals to 2. So here you can see the fraction part is here, and we have to eliminate this fraction part. So how we will eliminate? As I already told you that we will solve the fraction with the help of multiplication. We have to eliminate the fraction with the help of multiplication. So what we have to multiply here to eliminate the fraction? For this you have to observe the denominator. For example, in this example, denominator is x, so we have to multiply this x on both sides of the equation to eliminate the fraction. So here x and x will cancel each other and we get 5, and here 2 multiplied by x is equal to 2x. Now as we need value of x here and 2 is with x which is something extra, so we have to eliminate this 2 and we have to divide 2 on both sides. So this 2 will cancel each other and we get the value of x which is equal to 5 by 2, and this is our final answer. Now I will solve example number 2 so the concept will become more clear. Example number 2 is x plus 3 divided by 4 equals to 2x minus 1 divided by 3. Now in this example, as you can see, we have two fractions given. One is this and the second is this. So how we eliminate the fraction? As I told you, we have to observe the denominator part, which is 4 and 3. So what we will do here, we have to eliminate fraction with the help of multiplication. So what we will multiply? We will multiply the terms which are present in the denominator. So here two terms are given, 4 and 3. So we have to multiply 4 and 3 on both sides of the equation to eliminate the fraction. So here 2x minus 1 divided by 3, and we have to multiply 4 and 3 on both sides of equation. Now what we will do here, we have to cancel 4 and 4, 3 and 3, and we get 3x plus 3 equals to 2x minus 1 and 4. Now here we have to eliminate brackets. So what we will do, we have to multiply this 3 inside the bracket and this 4 inside the bracket with all terms, so the bracket will be eliminated. So here we get 3 into x, 3x plus 3 3s are 9 equals to 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8x minus 4 1s are 4. Now we have to shift like terms on one side. So here like terms are 8x, 3x, so we will shift 3x on the other side of the equation. Now student, remember here that whenever we shift one term from left to right or from right to left, the sign will become opposite. For example, now here we will shift plus 3x on this side, So the sign is here is plus, but when we will shift this term it will become negative 3x. Also here the 9 will remain its place and the minus 4 will shift on the other side, so it will become plus 4. So here 9 plus 4 is equal to 13 and 8x minus 3x is equal to 5x. Now here as we need the value of x and 5 is something which you can say this is an extra number, so we have to eliminate this 5 and we have to divide 5 on both sides of the equation. So here we get x is equal to 13 by 5, which is our final answer. Now I will solve the last example for you so the concept become more clear. Example number 3, sorry. So example number 3 is 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 2 equals to 12. So here equation we have, here is a part of fraction, but there is something more given, and this is number which is given with the fraction. So what we will do, we have to first shift this number on the other side so the equation becomes simple. So what we will do, 5 by x minus 1, when this plus 2 will shift on the other side of the equation, then the sign will become opposite. So if it is here plus, then if after shifting it will become negative 2. So here we get 5 by x minus 1 equals to 12 minus 2 equals to 10. Now here comes the fraction part. So what we will do here, to eliminate the fraction, we will observe the denominator. As in denominator x minus 1 is given, so we have to multiply x minus 1 on both sides of the equation. So this fraction part will be eliminated. X minus 1 and x minus 1 will cancel each other, and what remains is 5, 10 bracket x minus 1. Now we have to eliminate the bracket, so for this we have to multiply 10 inside the bracket with all the terms, so we get 10x minus 10. Now here, as we know that we have to shift the like terms on one side, so 10x will remain on its place and we have to shift this 10 on the other side of the equation. And you know that whenever the shifting occurs, the signs become opposite. So here negative 10 will shift on the left side, so it will become the plus 10. So here we get 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 and 10x. Now as we need value of x, so what we will do here, we have to eliminate 10. So we have to divide 10 on both sides of the equation, and 10 and 10 will cancel each other and we get 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. 3 by 2, which is our final answer. So student, our topic today is complete and I hope your concept about this topic is clear. If there is any question related to this topic or anything which is not clear to you, you can ask me anytime, and I hope you will your concept will become clear. Thank you so much.